Hey gang, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Janina and this is Pretty Girl Gang TV, where we do nothing but conduct pretty girl business, okay? Today's video is gonna be really short and sweet. I'm gonna keep it real cute with a little tutorial, girl, okay? And this tutorial is just gonna be how to remove your strip lashes safely, painless, and easy, okay? Because I do wear a lot of strip lashes. Out of all the lashes, girl, lash extensions, individual lashes, strip lashes are my favorite lashes. You guys know I love lashes. I wear all types of lashes, especially the big wonky 3D mink lashes. Okay, girl, I am known for the most wonkiest lashes ever, but they are my favorite lashes because they're easy to take off, they're easy to clean, they are reusable, and also there's all kind of different styles. So if you want to be natural one day, you can be natural. If you want to be wonky one day like me, girl, you can be wonky, whatever, okay? So you guys know that I wear tons and tons of strip lashes, okay? So I have kind of developed a technique on how I remove them, because even though I do wear lashes, because girl, let's be honest, like lashes makes a huge difference when it comes to your makeup, especially if you're like me where you don't really have lashes. So I just got in and I've been wearing my makeup for a full day and I am ready to take it off. So I decided to get on camera and show you guys how I remove my strip lashes easily, safely, protecting my natural lashes with no pain, girl, because I don't know about you, but I do not do well with pain. I do not do well with inflicting any pain on myself, okay? Because if ripping your eyelashes off, girl, like, I don't know how people do that. I've done that in the past and it hurts so bad. Like, maybe it's just me, I'm a baby, but I watch beauty gurus when they take off their makeup and they just rip the lashes off all the time, and I'm like, yikes. Anyway, let's get started. Run the footage, girl. In terms of supplies, girl, the first item you're gonna need is some makeup remover, and this is the makeup remover that I use. This is the Garnier Fructis Micellar Makeup Removing Water. I love this makeup remover, girl. Like, it is so affordable. Not only is it like $4 and some change, girl, but it's so accessible. Like, you can find this at Target, you can find this at Walmart, you can find this at CVS. I've even seen this in Family Dollar, girl. So get you some makeup remover. The next thing you're gonna need is a Q-tip, okay? Now, normally I do remove my makeup with cotton rounds or like these little cotton pads here, but you don't wanna use this when it comes to your lashes, girl, because I used to use these, and if you can see, they're like, you know, they can come off. The cotton stuff comes off here. So you don't want to ruin your lashes, girl, especially if you have some really good, thick, full mink lashes that you want to reuse. Woo. You don't want to use these on your lashes and ruin your lashes. So we are going to stick with the Q-tip when it comes to this tutorial, okay? So first things first, you're going to take your makeup remover here and your Q-tip, and we're just going to wet our Q-tip with the makeup remover. And what I like to do is I run the Q-tip full of makeup remover on the top of the lash line here first. And that just kind of loosens it up. And then I take the Q-tip and just start from the outer corner and start to push the lash down. And as you can see, it just loosens it up. And it comes off easily and painlessly, girl. Boom. So there's our first lash. Let's do the next one. So same thing, I'm just gonna take the clean part of the Q-tip and I'm going to put some makeup remover on there. Same thing with the other eye. So we're gonna run it along the lash line first, just to get it cooking and ready to go. And then from the outer corner of the eye, you start pushing it down with your Q-tip. And it will come right off Just like that. Easy and painless, okay? And there you go, girl. Your lashes came off easy, it was painless, and your natural lashes are intact, okay? Now I'm gonna take the rest of my makeup off, girl, because it is super duper late and I am ready to go to bed. If you guys have any other techniques on how you remove your strip lashes, let me know down in the comment section below. If you guys liked this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to your girl, okay? And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Good night, guys.